Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to new video story with Sani. As you can see, I got my teachers, and he is working as a teacher for 4 months, more than 4 years, and already we have established one institute which is located at the Jagadishpur Chashi Market, and also I am working an English teacher, English instructor from there. Okay, so right now I'm going to ask Khalid bin Saleh sir some question about English related of English message. That is it good for is it good institute in right now?
Yeah, actually, it's really difficult to say that I'm good, right? If I'm good, the people when they say I'm good, then I will become good, not for myself. So I think we have created English message for the development of English learners, so that they can speak English with confidence, right? So that's why actually there is no coaching center, there is no private center who are providing English lessons to the students in Madhupur, right? So there is no remarkable institution of Madhupur. So that's why I have taken decisions to create English methods to provide our English lessons so that our students can speak like you, like Limon, like Mahmoud, so that they can feel proud of them.
Okay. So another
What would
question.
be your next question?
Yeah. Another question is, well, you have given an institute, a good institute, in my site actually. So what do you think about institute? That the institute will be a good or will be good institute like after a few months, or what's the situation right now?
Oh, Alhamdulillah.
If students will come English message at English message, if they will be able to say English.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Already you have noticed that they are able to speak English, right? We have so many videos that we already have uploaded on social media, especially Facebook. That is English Message. Our official Facebook's name is English Message, where we uploaded so many videos, right? So Alhamdulillah, there are some good students. They already being able to speak English, and actually it takes time, right? Actually, it's not possible to speak. Like you take decisions and it's not possible within overnight. Yeah, you need time, you need dedication, you need good effort, hardworking attention, right? So Alhamdulillah, day by day they are improving a lot. I think very soon we can create so many speakers and they will feel proud of them.
Okay.
So
So one more question: that what do you think about students? That if they will come, can they learn something by elegant
Yeah.
English?
Of course, we try to make them prepared differently, right? Actually, we have given this institution so that they don't go to Hobbyganj, they don't go to Madhupur, right? Yes. So that they can learn English by staying their home, right? It's very near to their home.
Okay.
So especially I offer my courses to the students of Jagadishpur. So we are at Jagadishpur's school, right?
Yes.
Can you please show all around us? Okay, this is the incredible place of Jagadishpur school. Once upon a time, we were the students of that school, and we miss all the teachers. And so it's my humble request to all the guardians, all the teachers, to please take decision. And we provide our English class so uniquely, right? And we have designed our course like that way.
Okay. One more interesting question: that after few years later, where you will see your institute?
Oh my God. Actually, I don't know the future, right? It's quite impossible to predict something. Yeah, Allah knows better, right? But I have a great dedication. I have a great dream to improve the students' situation. I think it's gonna be more popular, at least at Jagadishpur, right? Actually, we want to reach so many students, so that students one day they will be saying that, sir, English is my favorite language, English is my favorite subject. So that's why we are working for it day and night. So I don't know. Actually, student will be saying that actually is it good, or how much popularity it will be achieved within 1 year.
Okay. So another question is, what do you think that students are learning something by different way, like better than any other institute?
Inshallah, we try to make it special, different. and we try to provide their pronunciation class. We emphasize, right? We emphasize to how to improve pronunciation. So we provide some tongue twister to remove their mumbling problem, right? Students face some, they know, they understand English, but unable to speak English. So that's why we provide tongue twister. Tongue twister helps them to speak English with confidence. So it's totally different. So we have already our students have memorized more than 20 tongue twister. So I think it's a great revolution.
Okay, last more question that if actually 3 months, you have taken 3 months for any kinds of student.
Yeah.
So is it possible to after completing 3 months, if any student will be highly benefited or they will be able to say in English after 3 months?
Inshallah, especially if anyone follow our guidelines, if anyone follow our instructors properly, I think within 3 months it's possible to speak English. One condition that I want to give all the students, as well as I want to share this news with my Facebook friends, if any students cannot follow, so how can they be able to speak English within 3 months? Actually, I have given the warranty if they will follow our instruction. Actually, when I have given their listening class, actually they should listen at least 2 hours per day, but they don't listen. So if they don't abide by the rules and regulations of English measures, so how can they will be able to speak English? You got it, right?
Yeah, right.
So actually, it's not possible. It's easy to say, but difficult to do. Right. So I think if any students can speak English, so they are bound to follow the rules and regulations. Those who are able to follow our rules, then we will give them warranty. Inshallah, they will become a speaker.
Oh, thank you so much, Khalid bin Saleh sir.
Can you please tell me the location?
Yeah, of
What is
course.
English message?
Yeah, English message located at Jagadishpur Chashi Market. If you want, you can visit. I'm not trying to say that you can just come here and you can just admit there. Just you can come here to do some classes. If you will be enjoying. If you will be enjoying the classes, you can admit. Otherwise, you can go at your home, no problem. But we are just working as an English teacher to make our student much better, so that they can speak English loudly and shoutly and more comfortably. You know that most of the people, when they want to speak English in front of the public places, they cannot able to speak. Why? That's the problem. So we're just trying to do something new, that how we can make them more interesting, and how can we make their shyness remove, like day by day or some classes we just try to take students that you can come in front of the students, in front of the people, and try to say something about yourself, try to say something about school, just topic by topic. We are just trying to make them a good speaker. So that's the thing actually. So I don't want to make it longer. Those who are watching this video, if you like our video, you can subscribe our channel and share. Don't forget to share our video, and please, those are watching our video in Jagadishpur area, you can just think about our institute, that is it good for your children, or is it good for you also? Because most of the people, or also sorry, do you know, when I went Dhaka, I saw that there are so many guys like my father. They are come here to learn English, and most of the institute you will follow. If you want to follow that, you will see there are so many guys. They want to speak English. They want to try to speak English better, because they are old person, but it doesn't matter, right? So we should just think about ourselves, and after 2 or 3 years, where we can see our position, just
God.
try to
Amazing.
try to implement and to try to overcome some obstacles. It doesn't matter. So you have come here, we will give you some tips and tricks, that how can you overcome your shyness, how can you overcome your badness, and how can you be a good speaker. So I don't want to make it longer. Those who are watching this video, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Thank you.